Today we're going to take a look at styles and themes. Now, I already have A1 selected, and I'm going to go to the Styles group on the Home tab. As you can see, there's a dedicated group to styles. Now, I'm going to click this little button over here. This is the More button. There's a line and an arrow pointing down, so I can see all the styles. Styles are built-in formatting that allow you to quickly change the formatting on your document. For this first style, I'm going to choose the title style. Now you'll see a preview when you point at it, so if you want to see what it will do to your text, just point your mouse at it. Now I'm going to choose title at this point, and you can see it nicely formatted it to a title format. Now we're going to do the heading beneath that, and I'm going to select quarterly sales. Now for this one, I want to choose heading 4, and you can see heading 4 doesn't have an underline. Now moving on to our next style, let's select the headings. Now I want to include commission rate as well. So to select the cell that's not next to the other cells, I'm just going to hold down Control and click on cell I4. Then I'm going to add a style to those, and for this one, I'm going to choose heading 3. Now I'm going to click away from the selection so you can see the results of the style. Now the next thing we're going to do is apply a currency style to these numbers. So to do that, I'm going to click on B5. Now to do this selection, I'm going to hold down Control and Shift and press the right arrow key and then press the down arrow key so it selects to the very bottom. Now I'm going to go back up to the styles group, and I want to choose currency. Now I want the one with no decimal points, so I'm going to choose this one right here. You can see in the preview there's no decimal points. And then we have the dollar signs. Now the last style we're going to do is at the very bottom, and we're going to select the bottom row and then click on the total style. Now let's take a look at themes. I'm going to go to the top of my document, and we're going to go to the Page Layout tab. Themes are good to change the look of your document quickly. And another benefit is that themes are actually universal across all of Office. So if you like a certain font or color scheme in one of those themes, you can use the same one if you go to Word or Excel or PowerPoint, because those themes exist throughout all of Office. Now on your page layout, we're going to go to the themes group and take a look at a few themes. Now I'm not going to choose a particular one, but you can see that the font changes. The look of all the text I have on here changes. So to commit to the change, I'm just going to choose a theme. I hope you found this useful. Thank you for watching.